like this.
There are life jackets under or to the side of your seat. Remove the life jacket and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten at the front. Pull firmly to make sure it's secure.
Only inflate your life jacket at the door when you're leaving the aircraft. To inflate it, pull the 2 red toggles sharply downwards. You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. There's a light and whistle on your life jacket to attract attention. Cabin crew will give out life jackets or life pots, for instance.
Take a moment to find the emergency exit nearest to your seat. Look back, as it may be behind you.
There are 16 emergency exits on this Airbus A380. 10 on the main deck and 6 on the upper deck.
We have a good engine start. You can
If you need
disconnect.
to evacuate, leave all your bags behind and follow the lights on the floor to your nearest exit. Take off high-heeled shoes before you use the safety slides.
Thank you for your attention. And if you need a reminder of any of the safety steps, you can check the safety card in your seat pocket or ask us at any time.
We're now going to make the final preparations for departure. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your Emirates flight.
Our colleagues will be with you once we're airborne to ensure you receive our Fly Better experience. Thank you for flying Emirates.
Photron disconnected. Bypass pin removed. Left is clear. Right is clear.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do thank you very much for your attention, and now we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the takeoff. The captain has made tower communications available, so if you'd like to monitor the air traffic system, you'll find that on channel 9 and your headsets in the seat pocket in front of you. We'll give you a little more information about our service plan for our flight this evening as soon as we're in the air. Thank you, and again, welcome aboard.
Good day. Marina 907 Monitor Tower. Question Monitor Tower 11.2. Monitor Tower 11.2. Good morning, expecting 60 runway C4 です。タクシーvia Juliet, hold short alpha. Runway 34 left taxi with Juliet for short of alpha, runway 601. Expecting 601, taxi to holding point via alpha. Taxi to holding point via alpha, runway 601. Continental 993, contact control 121.75. 121.75, 998. Strong. Bentley 300, contact ramp control 121.6. Ramp control 121.6, Bentley 300. Ground of 426 area, good morning, continue via Bravo. Morning at 4262 ground, continue via Golf, Sierra, Sierra 7, Juliet. Continue via ground, Sierra, Sierra 7, Juliet, upload 262. 203, contact ground 12195.
Ground 12195, Montreal, 203. Ground Vanilla 811, approaching Echo 3 gateway. Juliet.
Vanilla 811, ground runway 34 left, ignition kilo, QNH 2990, taxi via Golf, join route 6.
Departure runway 34 Lima, information kilo 2990. Taxi Golf, follow route 6 Vanilla 811.
Ground. Cessna Victor Hotel Foxtrot Victor Bravo with Golf. Ready to taxi, IFR.
We are November 4. November 4.
Cessna Victor Hotel Foxtrot Victor Bravo. Taxi to and hold short of runway 5 via taxiway Tango 1 Tango 2 Tango 3 Kilo Alpha 6 Alpha 5 Alpha 4 Foxtrot 2 cross runway 12 Foxtrot 3 Foxtrot 6. Contact tower on 120.5 when ready.
Vanilla 811, hold short of Sierra 4.
Hold short of Sierra 4, Vanilla 811.
Taxiing. Hold short runway 5 via taxiway Tango 1 Tango 2 Tango 3 Kilo Alpha 6 Alpha 5 Alpha 4 Foxtrot 2 cross runway 12 Foxtrot 3 Foxtrot 6. Cessna Foxtrot Victor Bravo.
Hold short of Sierra 4.
Hold short Sierra 4 for 260.
Vanilla 101, hold short of Sierra 4.
Hold short of Sierra 4, Vanilla 101. Ground, good morning, good evening, taxing on Bravo, the hold short north hold.
Scooter 9, ground, continue via Golf, Papa, Echo 4 gateway.
Golf, Papa, Echo 4 gateway.
Alpha 262, contact ground 12195.
12195, Alpha 262, good day, thank you.
Vanilla 101, contact ground 12195.
12195, Vanilla 101. Ground morning, Jeju 1182, approaching Echo 3 gateway.
Jeju 182, ground, runway 34 left, QNH 2990, taxi via Golf, join route 6.
Runway 34 left to 2990, taxi via Golf 10, route 26, Jeju 1182. Good morning. Scooter 869, request taxi.
Scooter 69, ground, QNH 2990, runway 34 left, taxi via Echo 5 gateway, and Golf, join route 6.
Okay, Echo 5, gateway, Golf, and join route 6 to 9990, Scooter 869. changing to northbound point.
Eastern 601 ground, country via Golf, Echo 6 Gateway.
Taxi via Golf to Echo 6 Gateway, Eastern 601.
Scooter 69, hold short to the Sierra 4.
Hold short, Sierra 4 with the N63.
Eastern 601, contact control 1175.
1175, Eastern 601, good evening.
Right.
Japan speed 803, contact ground 121, extended island 5.
Japan 303, 1195.
V1. regulations prohibit smoking on board, and also note that it does not permit the use of e-cigarettes. Once we've reached our cruising altitude, we'll be distributing complimentary earphones, and we'll begin with our hot meal and beverage service. And approximately 6 hours from now, we'll be coming to the hospitality cabin with a sandwich and beverage service. And an hour and a half before we arrive, we have a final hot meal, once again with beverages to offer. Once the first meal service has been completed, we'll be coming to the hospitality cabin between departure. Thank you. Have a pleasant flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, shortly the captain will be switching off the seatbelt sign. However, while in your seat, you must keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. If the seatbelt signs come on, you must immediately return to your seat, fasten your seatbelt, and install cabin luggage.
حضرة الكرام نرجوكم رفع تحسبة القائد ورفع أمرية فوق البطانية طلب الرحلة وعندما تكون علامات رفع تحسبة النقاط مضاءة. إذا كنتم تستخدمون هاتفا متحركة يجب وضعها على وضعية صامت طول وقت الرحلة. التدخين بجميع أنواع الشحن من الأدوات الإلكترونية ممنوع منع باتا في كافة مرافق الطائرة بما في ذلك دورات المياه. يمكن التصوف على متن هذه الرحلة من مجموعة واسعة من أحدث بضائع السوق الحرة وأنت جالس على مقعدك مع مجلة سوق الحرة بوتيك. تتوفر نسخة من مجلة بوتيك في جيب المقعد أمامك، أو يمكنك طلب مساعدة حفظ الطاقم. الوجبة المجانية التي نرجو أن تكون قد استمتعتم بها بإمكانكم اختيار وجبة خفيفة وصينية من قائمة المأكولات الجديدة التي تضمن الحلويات والمقرمشات المالحة المتاحة للشراء خلال الرحلة. تلبية كافة طلباتكم جعلتكم عند أفضل راحة. يرجى عدم التردد باستدعاء من أفراد الطاقم إذا احتجتم أي مساعدة. شكرا.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remember to keep your seatbelt fastened and visible over your blanket whenever you're seated and when the seatbelt sign is on. If you're using your phone, we also adjust your phone to silent mode for the duration of the flight. Smoking, including e-cigarettes, not allowed anywhere on board, including the toilets. On board today, you can shop the latest duty-free products with the comfort of your seat with our in-flight magazine. You'll find your personal copy of the ticket in the seat pocket in front of you, or you can speak to one of our cabin crew for more information about the products we have available today. If there's anything that we can do to make your flight more comfortable, please let us know. Thank you.